It's tax filing season right now, and I'm sure a lot of you are either doing your taxes or have already done them. I want to show you if you are eligible to contribute to a traditional IRA and get the full tax benefit of it, how it affects your taxes. So right now I'm doing my taxes, H&R Block, and right here it says that I owe $435. If I go over here under deductions, they have a section for health savings account and traditional IRA. I'm going to go here. I've already been playing around with it. Revisit. So let's see what happens if I were to contribute the max amount, which is $6,000 for my age, per spouse. So that would be me and my husband. So my total contributions, we're going to put $6,000. So that's going to be a total of $12,000 that we're going to contribute. In here, this says, what are you going to contribute between January 1st and April 18th? I didn't contribute to the traditional IRA last year, so that's why I'm putting in this amount down here. This just wants to know my total contributions. You're allowed. I'm contributing in 2023 for 2022. So I'm just going to click through here. I'm going to click through the motions. It's going to ask a couple questions, but we're going to find out what happens to the tax refund. So here's the last page. It says, here's how you're contributing, $6,000 for me and my spouse. And let's go over here and find out what happened to my refund. So it said that I owed money, and now I'm getting a tax refund, $2,351, because I'm contributing $12,000 to my traditional IRA. Some of you might be like, who the heck has $12,000 to contribute to a traditional IRA? Well, some people do. I mean, if you keep your expenses low, you prioritize saving money, you might have some money to contribute. Maybe it's not the max, but every dollar that you put into that traditional IRA, if you're eligible, you can get a tax refund. And for me, I'm putting in $12,000. I don't need to put in. It might look like I'm putting in $12,000, but the government's giving me $2,351 back. So I'm actually putting in a little under $10,000.